Right, so let's go ahead and clean up the lab. We may want to clean up the virtual machine, delete the virtual machine after your lab is done, or you might want to delete the entire resource group. It's all depending on what you want to do. But then it's important to clean up what you've done to minimize the costs. Then I'll just launch the PowerShell and then do the cleanup right from this single console. I'll use this command called remove-azvm, do a tab completion, and then use -resource group syntax. My resource group is prod_it, the name as web server because that's the name of my machine. Let's hit yes, confirm it. The VM should get shut down and then cleans up itself from the resource group. The next step, if you want to remove the resource group or the entire resource group, you will use the commandlet called remove-az resource group. Switching back to the console here and then looking at the virtual machine section, let's see if it is actually being deleted. There you go, this is cleaned up from the virtual machine console, it's gone, and I should have some confirmation on the PowerShell as well. So if you've not received it, that's fine, you should get that anytime. You can also use the similar command remove-az resource group name to clean up the resource group too.